Yikes! Yeah. There she goes.
Wait, what's the incident? I never really knew. The incident was in July 1947.
Crazy puppy.
And then the next day in the media, they said, no, it was a weather balloon. And they come out with 4 other explanations since then. But did it happen? Did it not happen? Our whole goal is I definitely believe that there was something that crashed into the earth. So there were people that were killed during the... No. And I do believe that there was cover-up. Most of the people, I would say probably 70% of the people that come through believe that we are not alone.